Well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be swatching for you on my face the Anastasia Glow Kits in Sugar and Sundipped. I know I'm super behind on this. I know they've been out for a long time, but it's been on my list of things to do, so we're gonna do them. If any of you have skin as fair as mine and you're wondering if any of these glow kits will work for you, keep on watching. All right, so this is my bare cheekbone highlight area. And I'm going to start with the Glow Kit in Sugar. I'm gonna be swatching them on the area where I usually highlight. We'll be putting some foundation on so I have an even base. And I'm just going to start with each shade and show you guys. So this is how Sugar looks. I would say it's more of a pinky toned palette. This is Marshmallow, which is definitely like got a duochrome type feel to it. All right, so I'm going to swatch a Marshmallow. Load up my brush so you can really see the color. There is a little bit of kickback. Okay, so you can see on camera it does have like that gold kind of yellowy tint to it. This next one is Gumdrop, and it's also kind of like a duochrome type color. It's got pink, gold, purple. It's very interesting color, but it does have noticeable glitter in it. A lot of kickback in that one, a lot. This one doesn't show up very well on my skin. It's just more glittery than anything. Interesting shade. We'll see. Building it up, it's just like more glitter on my texture. That's how Gumdrop looks. It's not a very intense highlight, but it does have this like very thick glitter, and it just doesn't look very good on my pores at all. Look who escaped out of her kennel! Naughty! Naughty! You swatch Butterscotch right here. This one is a more golden shade, golden champagne. They all have a lot of glitter, which I did not know. And glitter does not bode well for your pores. More of a smoother texture than the other ones. Some of them are like really powdery, but this one's pretty smooth. The next and final one is Starburst, and it really does look like a pink Starburst candy. It's one of the smoothest and less glittery shades. It's more of a foiled type look and feel. It's one of my favorites because it does go on pretty smooth, and this is really pretty pink tint to it. That is it for the Glow Kit in Sugar. So the last kit I'm going to be swatching for you guys is the Glow Kit in Sundipped. And this is how it looks. Whoa, as I almost drop it. And this is definitely more of a summery, bronzy type kit. And so they do have more shades for darker skin as well. The ones I find that work the best for fair skin girls like us are Moonstone and Summer. This one does not have, I don't think, any glitter. They're more of the titanium type look and feel, like the Anastasia titanium eyeshadows, which I have quite a few of and I really love. There are some darker colors in here like bronze I could never use as a highlight, obviously. Tourmaline, I don't know if I can really do that one either, but they are really pretty as eyeshadows also. That's what's cool about this, is you get all these shades, but you don't have to just use them as highlights. Just for funsies, I'm going to do Bronzed right here, which is the first one in the palette. It's just like a stripe of bronze shade. But I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on the eyelid. It's really pretty on the eyelid though. That's how it looks on the eyelid. It's really pretty. So not on the cheekbones by any means. The next one, and probably my favorite out of all of these, is Summer. And Summer is a really beautiful pale gold shade, almost bordering on champagne, but it's really pretty and wearable for people with fair skin. That is Summer. Really pretty shade. The next one is Tourmaline? I don't know how to say it. It's like a rose gold type shade. It would not work for my skin tone for a highlight, but I'll show it to you guys anyway. It does end up being a little bit lighter on the skin, but still you kind of have this like stripe that shows up. But it is kind of pretty. Kind of would be a cute blush topper or something like that. But you can see definitely the color difference. That's Tourmaline, Tourmaline, I really don't know. The last shade in this kit is Moonstone. And it's a really pretty, almost peachy champagne. It's really, really beautiful. One of my favorites. This palette I definitely think would be best if you really do want both of these shades. It's probably worth it to get it. Then you have these other two that are darker, but if you're a makeup artist, you can use it on your clients, and that would be another good way to use it, or use it as an eyeshadow. But Moonstone is one of my all-time favorites. Has the less amount of like a glitter or anything. It's more like a sheen, which I really like. So this one's probably my favorite shade out of all of them, I would say. That is Moonstone. Really beautiful. Works really well for pale skin. I'm gonna put it on the other side. There is a little bit of kickback when you use a brush, but you can also use like a beauty blender, kind of moist, to apply it, and it looks really pretty. That is Moonstone. It's a really beautiful shade for highlighting if you have pale skin. Like I said, the other two would work well for eyeshadows. So those are my thoughts and swatches on the Anastasia Glow Kits in Sugar and Sundipped. They do have quite a few more, but these are the only ones I own. I would say out of all of them, my favorite would have to be the Sundipped because of Moonstone and Summer. I have Moonstone on my highlighted parts of my face, and I think it's a really beautiful color. But if you're thinking these are worth it, I'm not sure. The reason why I got both of these was because there was a buy one, get one free deal, I think at Ulta like a year ago or something like that. So I wanted to try these and especially have them for my channel to show you guys how everything looks on fair skin. And so I got both of these because I was very curious and I heard they're really great. They are not my favorite highlights of all time. My favorite highlights, of course, are the Makeup Geek highlights. They are really, really beautiful, really, really soft and not glittery. One thing I don't like about a highlight is when it's glittery. I think maybe you could get away with a glitter highlight when you're a little bit younger, but when you're 30 and you have texture and all of that, I really don't think I can get away with it anymore. So it's a really pretty highlight, but you do have to be really careful if you have pores and texture and things like that. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up because that always helps me out. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. Definitely hit that subscribe button to become part of the Lustrous Beauty community. I would love to have you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to stay lustrous. Bye!